Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on the brand new Viofo A229 Duo, which is their brand new 2K resolution 2-channel dash camera. I think this one is going to blow the doors off of all the older model Viofo cameras. Just taking it out of the box, I was really impressed with the build quality and all of the things that come with this camera. So I'm just going to get into some of the base features. I don't have any sample video. We haven't powered this one up yet, but let me show you a couple of things that are new on this camera. First and foremost is the front camera. So this is the A229. It's bigger. It's got a slightly bigger LCD screen than the A129 series, which is actually pretty cool. That's going to be really useful for you to review footage. It's got Wi-Fi, so you can review footage not only on the body of the camera, but on your smartphone. There's your 2K front lens. There's your GPS logger. All your connections are made along the side of the camera. You've got your external mic input, your SD card, and your rear camera input. You've got basically USB and your recording microphone along the side there as well. And then you've got your rear camera, which is right here. This is following the trend of the A139 and the T130. It's got the cylindrical rear camera with the coax video cable there. Quite small, pill-shaped, and 2K resolution. Sony Starvis image processor, enhanced 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, GPS logger, dual channel QHD, 2K, which is actually pretty cool because a lot of the mainstream competitors from Thinkware and Blackview, well, Blackview doesn't have a 2K camera. They go 1080p and 4K. But Thinkware has a few different 2K models, and their 2K models do not currently offer 2K in the front, 2K in the rear. So that is a significant advantage of the Viofo camera. Not only that, but I think the price point on the A229 is going to come in probably $100 or so cheaper than the closest mainstream competitor. So the Viofo, I think, is going to be a very hot seller. So let me just show you what comes in the box. I've got it right here. I'll just go through a couple of things. User guide. You've got your power cable, USB. It is a USB-C. So there is the end of the cable there. We have a hardwire cable, the HK3C, which will work for parking mode. It's got parking mode circuitry built into it, but you need to buy the HK3C cable as a separate item. Excuse me. USB cable for your computer. USB key for your SD card. You've got your adhesive mounts, extra adhesive mounts in case you change vehicles. Here is your rear camera cable included, and they're nice and helpful. They give you a plastic panel puller in the box for ease of installation. So that basically covers what's in the box. I'm just going to put this stuff back in here and sum up the video with why should you buy the Viofo A229. Well, I'll be honest with you. Viofo has been very popular. Now, as I've mentioned in a couple of other Viofo videos, Viofo is a Chinese dash camera manufacturer, whereas a lot of the mainstream brands are South Korean. Now, being a Chinese manufacturer, that sometimes can be a knock just due to product quality, features, all of that, but not the case with Viofo. The product quality of Viofo is as high as the South Korean manufacturers, if not better. Price points lower, features and innovation is higher. It's a great choice if you're looking for a brand new 2-channel 2K camera. I think this is definitely a recommended model. If you're interested in buying one, click the link below. We'll have it included in the video description. If you like this video, hit the like button. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Please subscribe to our channel. We're looking to grow this channel to 20,000 subscribers as soon as possible. We would love to have you as one of those subscribers. And if you or somebody you know is interested in a dash camera, 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. Thank you for watching the Viofo A229. Awesome piece, Viofo. Great job. We look forward to selling lots of these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.